really fucked myself this time. Basically, for some reason, my roommates and I thought we could get out of paying our gas bill, which you can't do. Don't do that, because you will owe hundreds of dollars. I was living with some new guys, you know, they had never really like paid bills before. So my one roommate was like, I think that's included. I was like, I don't think that's right. So we didn't end up paying it, and then we got a letter once, and it said like, you have to pay. And he literally ripped it up, like in front of us. He's like, they're not fucking taking my money. So we didn't pay, and we got this letter yesterday, and they're like, if you don't sign up for an account, like, we will shut off your heat.
Just why would you do that? He has no confidence. Really? So I'm just afraid to tell him anything at this point.
Yeah, like it'll just hurt him more?
Yeah.
But like, I don't know, like what do you mean by that?
He apologizes all the time, and it's like he doesn't even really mean it. He's just like doing it.
That is annoying.
Yeah.
And like if he thinks he grabbed me too hard or if he thinks he kissed me too hard, he'll like apologize. No, really?
Yeah, and it's not like I'm not saying ow, like it's please, like show some kind of like interest in me.
She really didn't say anything about me?
No, I mean not like that.
What do you mean not like that?
I don't know. I mean,
Do you think it's like a little irrational?
I don't think it's irrational. I mean,
but what is it then?
Well, I thought you two were working through some stuff. That's all.
Oh, I didn't know there was anything to work through. Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
You know when like you're eating ice cream and you know it's like summer and the ice cream like melts,
Yeah.
so it's like all over your hands. You're like, oh no, how do I like keep up?
Yeah.
Molly and I haven't been having sex.
Josh,
and
that's
I like
enough.
oh,
Come
sorry,
on. I
sorry.
mean, no, I don't think you should be talking about that kind of stuff with me.
Sorry,
No, it's. I mean, I really.
That wasn't cool of me. Can you not say anything to Molly?
I think
Please.
you should. I think you should head out. Come
Okay.
on. Yeah.
Right. Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Hey, Dante. Just curious if I could stay over yours tonight. My heat went out and it's cold. Getting to the teens, but... Alright, just call me back when you can. Deuces.
But then we get like halfway through the room and there's like this like bright red light that turns on like overhead. Mm-hmm. And you know, we both like look up like instantly. We're like, what the fuck is that? And then we turn around to the corner and there's this like dude, like, you know, one of the haunted guys, like one of the workers, and he was wearing this like pig head in the corner, and he had this like chainsaw, right? And then he like fastest thing ever, he like rips the chainsaw and starts like, and then he just like squeals. He goes, and then like I was like, what the fuck is going on? But my girlfriend at the time just starts like cracking up. She thinks it's the funniest thing she's ever seen. And like admittedly, like looking back, it's like, yeah, that's hilarious. But like, you know, it's she just started like laughing, like crying laughing. It was crazy. And it was like he started swinging at us and shit, and she picked up this like plank of wood from the ground. She was like fighting him back and stuff. It was crazy.
I know you're allowed to do that.
Yeah, no, hey, you know, it's I guess it's not against the rules. You know, you sign forms, you do what you do.
You're brave.
She's very brave.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Something's wrong with you.
I just got back from hanging out with Ash. You said I was being irrational because I wouldn't sleep with you.
That.
How fucking dare you?
Let me explain. Didn't say it like that. Did she mention the metaphor?
I just don't understand why you wouldn't come talk to me about it.
I mean, I don't really understand why you would tell someone else that I lack confidence. It's kind of not cool either.
I said that to her
In confidence?
in confidence.
Yeah, well,
Yeah. She's not your friend. She's my friend.
I went to high school with her. She's my friend too.
She's my friend first.
You're really scary sometimes. Don't.
Yeah.
Close the door. This is my house.
I want to go home.
Okay. What?
Sorry, there's like a man standing at the end of the street in like a hoodie. I just...
Do you still love me? You don't know.
Hey, Molly. It's me, Josh. Just wanted to let you know I got the heater to work. I don't know if you remember it going out. But it's working pretty fine, even though it's still really cold. It's been pretty cold without you, though. I don't know. I would really I would like to catch up maybe one day, but that's only if you would too.
Oh, fuck.
So good.
Sorry, can I go in?